B. Lopez, 47 years old, taga-poblasyon Bustos, Bulacan, graduate ng Holy Child Academy, batch 1989-1990. Some people say high school life is the most important and very influencing years that a person will have. Una akong pumasok sa Holy Child Academy taong aralan 1986-1987. From 1986 up to 1989-1990, I stayed with Holy Child Academy at napakarami kong hardships sa Holy Child Academy, pero lahat ng iyon ay napalitan naman ng successes, merits, and laurels that I achieved. From first year to fourth year, consistently I was the first honor. I graduated valedictorian, and it was on my third year, 1988-1989, that I first met our class advisor, and it was her first teaching engagement in the person of Ma'am Marisa Lopez de Leon. She was our teacher in chemistry, I think. So, mula 1988, teacher na namin siya, 1989. I took her as my private tutor, at dahil dito, ay nagkaroon, I do not know if it is the first time, pero nagkaroon ng medal ang Holy Child Academy sa math competition. I was sent sa Holy Child Academy, nanalo ako sa Bulprisa, second place. Dahil yung sarili kong tanong, nakalimutan ko, I should have been the first place winner. I also achieved silver medal sa Bulprisa English Essay Writing Contest, at yan ay under the mentorship of no other than Carolina Javier, the former principal of Holy Child. Although persistently and consistently si Ma'am Modesta de la Cruz, sinali niya ako sa spelling bee sa Bulprisa, but the highest that I achieved ay fourth place. In third year, I was elected president of the student government upon its revival. At ito ay under the advisorship of no other than Susan Perez. At fourth year, I was still the president. Marami akong awards, but still, napakadami pa ring hardships that I encountered. And I thank God that out of the hardships, physically, emotionally, ay biniyayaan niyo pa rin ako na makamit ang aking tagumpay sa Holy Child, mula sa Holy Child Academy. Nung araw kasi, hindi ko naman sinasabi na hindi kami maraming nag-aaral sa Holy Child. I remember 88 persons nung kami when we enrolled in Holy Child Academy. Marami noon ang nag-aaral sa St. Augustine College of Baliwag at sa St. Mary's College. At that time, it was St. Mary's Academy and St. Paul Academy. So, ano ang hardship na aking naranasan? Siguro, I was the class valedictorian sa Bustos Central School 1985-1986, and I would perennially see those students who did not perform well during our elementary years ay mga nasa service ng Tierra, Fort Tierra, I remember, stainless. They go to St. Paul. Yung iba naman ay may service and tricycle, they go to St. Mary's College of Baliwag. So, siguro sa edad ko na yon, hindi ko pa masyadong na-value ang mga itinatanim kong investment sa Holy Child Academy. I was envious of them, seeing them in their classy uniform. Kami, kahit naka-chinelas lang noon, ay pinapayagan. At siguro in terms of socialization and comparison, because they look better, they always look at their best. I mean, simple na. Lalakarin lang namin, nandiyan na ang Holy Child Academy. So yun siguro yung pinaka-tumatak na hardship sa akin. Pero, ito naman ang sasabihin ko na napawi lahat ng iyon. Dahil ako ngayon, sa kasalukuyan, ako ay isang abogado, marami akong sasakyan, marami akong napupuntahan, at yung mga ibang tao noon na aking kinainggitan because of their classy wear, uniform, at ang kanilang mga services sa Fortiera, Stainless, Tricycle, Jeepney, I see them driving the tricycle and Fortiera. But I don't take it against them. Yun lang ang sinasabi ko. Sa pagtitiyaga, may nilaga. Maaring hindi mo maintindihan during the time na pinagdaraanan mo ang mga bagay na yun, pero unti-unti darating ang panahon, malalaman mo ang punot dulo na yan. Well, I was a class valedictorian ng 1989-1990 at Holy Child Academy, and I took up my pre-law at the Far Eastern University. So initially went from the province, basically studying in the city of Manila. Syempre, you always have to do your best. And I took inspiration from all the hardships and trainings that I had from my mentors. And these are my teachers. And some tormentors. Also some, very few teachers. And I studied so much that I was consistent listener. I graduated magna cum laude. I was also the class valedictorian of 1993-1994 of the Far Eastern University graduating class. That when Luciano Pavarotti was brought to the Philippines at the Pop Arts Theater, nauna kong gamitin ang mic at podium because I was the one who also delivered the valedictory address. So it was an inspiration for me. Be patient.
Okay.
Matuto ka maghintay ng tamang panahon. Be persevering. Magtiyaga ka sa lahat ng mga bagay kung ano ang meron ka sa kasalukuyan. Gamitin mo lahat ng ito while working for what you want to achieve. And I tell you, darating at darating ang panahon na makakamit mo ang lahat ng tagumpay. At palagi kong sinusunod ang wisdom na sinasabi sa akin ng tatay ko. Sabi ko, Dad, bakit ako sa Holy Child mo lang pag-aaralin? I want to go to Manila. Dahil ang lahat ng kapatid ko noon in college, they were all studying in the city of Manila. Sabi ko, Dad, isama mo na ako. Kasi gano'n na lang ang tingin nila sa Holy Child at that time. Pero ang sabi ng tatay ko, tandaan mo, wala sa banig ang sakit. Ang sakit ay nasa taong nakahiga dito. Kaya kung ikaw ay magsusumikap, sigurado kahit saan ka pa nag-aral, dala-dala mo ang iyong tagumpay. At hanggang sa kasalukuyan, hindi ako sa nagyayabang, kahit na paano may narating naman ako, habang panahon kong tatanawing utang na loob, ang biyaya, pagtuturo na ginawa sa akin ng aking mga guro mula sa Holy Child Academy. Mula taong 1986-1990, nasa Holy Child Academy ako. I was 13 up to 16 years old. At ito yung mga teen years na talagang huhubog sa'yo kung ano ang magiging pagkatao mo sa hinaharap hanggang sa pagtanda mo. So, napakalaki ng utang na loob ko sa Holy Child Academy sapagkat sa 4 na taon nag-aral ako dyan, hindi ako pinagbayad ng tuition fee because of my scholarship. Ang natatandaan ko sinisingil lamang sa akin ni Ma'am Leda ay 18 pesos per month. At iyan ay bayad lamang sa test paper na nung araw niririso lamang nila sa Limpid para sa papel. Yun lang ang binabayaran ko dyan. So what role did Holy Child Academy portray in my life? Maging mapagbigay, maging mahinahon, at maging matulungin sa kapwa. Yan ang mga virtues that I learned from Holy Child Academy. Nung ako ay nasa high school, tandang-tanda ako, nag-aaral kami sa Holy Child Academy. Lagi na lamang namin naririnig ang pangalan ni Dr. Pablito Mendoza, Dr. Rosalinda Mendoza, at iba pa na mga nagtagumpay na produkto ng Holy Child Academy. Siguro, itong panahon na ito, kami naman, yung mga, hindi ko sinabing pumalit sa kanila, kami naman yung mga nadagdag mula sa roster of successful graduates or alumni of Holy Child Academy. Sabi nga ng Holy Child Academy, learning today, leading tomorrow. So dapat, kung ano yung mga ginagawa mo ngayon, pagsumikapan mo, pagtiyagaan mo, kung ano ang meron ka, gamitin mo lahat, maging matega. At bukas, sa hinaharap, kapag ginamit mo sa tamang paraan ang lahat ng natutunan mo mula sa Holy Child Academy, ginagaranti ako sa iyo, sa awa at tulong ng ating Santo Niño mula sa Holy Child Academy, makakamit mo ang lahat ng tagumpay na inaasa mo para sa iyong sarili, para sa iyong pamilya, at ialay lahat ito para sa ating Diyos. Sa lahat ng kapwa ko nagtapos mula sa Holy Child Academy, ako'y nakikiisa sa inyo sa pagdiriwang at pagbati ng Happy 75th Anniversary to Holy Child Academy. Maraming salamat and may God bless us all.